if you are using the desktop version of Evernote, then you have an option to export notebooks as well. So to do that, you can go around over here on the file menu, and over here you can see export note is an option. So if I were to go around and click on this, then what happens is that it tells you to select out a file format right here, which may be an HTML file format or this file format, as you can see right here. That is ENEX, that is the Evernote file format right here. So if you want to create a backup so that you can import this into other Evernote softwares, then you can use this option right here. And over here, you can see that you can keep all of these attributes over here as well. And as you select the ones that you want, like you want to keep the author name and so forth, so you can go around and choose and then untick out the ones that you don't like. But in my case, I'm just going to select out all and click on export right here. And then what happens is that I can go around onto any of the folders that where I want to save the file to, and then click on save right here. So it says Evernote has placed your exported note into a file called this right here. So you can go around, open up the containing folder, and you can see the Evernote right here, just like this. So now what happens is that you can go around and then import this out into other Evernote desktop versions as well. But if you want to go around and export out, let's say for example, something as a PDF file, then you can do that as well. You can go to file, you can export note as PDF right here, and you can even see the preview of how the note will be exported, and you can go around and select the paper size that you want to export as well. So once you go around over here, then you can see that you can work around with margins, you can work around with page numbers right here as well. So if you have multiple pages, and you have more option over here as well that you can access after you take a survey right here. But we're going to keep this simple, so let's just go around and export this. And what happens is that now it exports it out as a PDF, as you can see right here. So if I were to click on save, then what happens is that it converts it out into a PDF file right here. So now if I were to open this out, then it opens it out as a PDF file right here by your default PDF reader installed on your system. So that is what you have, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can export out notebooks from Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.